अस्सलामुअलैकुम एंड वेलकम बैक। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे हज मोबाइल एंड ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन वाले टॉपिक में से एमसीक्यूज जो बन सकते हैं उन पर 30 एमसीक्यूज हैं, विद आंसर के साथ शेयर करूंगा जिससे आपको पता चल पाएगा कि आप किस हद तक इस टॉपिक को तैयार कर पाए हो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ द पाक Hajj mobile application provided by the Ministry of Relation Affairs for Pakistan Pilgrim? Providing digital copy of the all pilgrim passport and visa. B option है real time currency exchange rate and money transfer service. C option है serving a centralized information hub for schedule, announcement, accommodation details, and emergency contact. D option है provide booking private accommodation outside of the government scheme. तो paperless travel. I'm confused between two options, A and C. The correct answer is C. Okay, this is correct. Pak Hajj app is designed as the main communication and information portal, giving pilgrim access to all necessary logistics and updates. Next, the Pak Hajj Moavineen. The Pak Hajj Moavineen or Pak Hajj Guide app is especially designed to provide which kind of assistant to pilgrim? Advanced virtual reality tours of the holy site for pre-Hajj preparations, a social network platform to connect all people pilgrim. See option, step-by-step religious guides and tutorials for performing the Hajj ritual correctly. A list of discounted shop center in Makkah and Medina. तो step by step religious guide and tutorial for performing the Hajj ritual correctly. I am confused between two options. A. Advanced reality tours of the holy site for pre-Hajj preparations. तो माविन यानी गाइड है और नेक्स्ट है स्टेप बाय स्टेप रिलीजियस गाइड एंड ट्यूटोरियल फॉर परफॉर्मिंग द हज ritual correctly. The Drust answer is C. So I click it. Good. It's right. The Guide and Mavin app is primarily focused on providing detailed instructions, supplications, and religious steps for each stage of Hajj and Umrah. Now I click on the next, which crucial piece of information essential for finding the pilgrim location in Saudi Arabia is typically integrated into the official Pak Hajj application. the local police station contact number, the pilgrim dietary performance and allergies, the building sector number, room number, and maktab camp number in Mina Arfat. They assigned Hajj operations, Mutawif bank account detail. I am confused between two options, B and C. The pilgrim is dietary performance and allergies. No, crucial piece of information. The Drust option is C. I click it. Wow, it's right. The precise accommodation and camp number are vital for locating the pilgrim during the pilgrim and are a core feature of the app. I click on the next. What is the key purpose of the Saudi Visa Bio app? A smaller official Saudi biometric visa app for intending Hajj pilgrim to purchase and load local Saudi mobile SIM card perform departing the home country. To practice conversing in Arabic and AI power language tour to capture and submit the pilgrim biometric data, facial scan fingerprints for pre-enrollment of the visa. D option, the registration for optional luxury transportation service between Mecca and Medina. The Drust option is C. Okay. So the biometric applications are used to digitally capture and verify the pilgrim identify and biometric before arrival, streamlining the visa and entry process. Now I click on the next. How does the use of Saudi Visa Bio app generally impact the pilgrim arrival process at the Saudi Arabia airport? It mandates the pilgrim to have mandatory waiting period of 24 hours for secondary security clearance. It requires the pilgrim to fill out multiple paper forms upon landing. It speeds up immigration and entry process by pre-verifying biometric and visa details before arrival. Its complete remove the need for physical transport and visa stickers. How does the use of Saudi Visa Bio app pilgrim arrive process to speed up? I think it speed up immigration entry process, pre-verifying biometric visa detail before arrival. C option. It's correct. Pre-enrollment allow for a quicker, smoother, and touchless immigration process upon arrival in Saudi Arabia. I click next. A pilgrim under the government Hajj scheme want to confirm the exact location of the nearest Pakistani medical mission dispensary. Which application would be the most effective tool for this? The Saudi Visa Bio app, Google Translate to ask a location person for direction, a generic compass app to determine the north direction and estimate the location, Park Hajj app integrates service and nav features. A generic compass app. Oh no, it's wrong. The Drust answer is option D. The Hajj app integrated service and map feature. The official Hajj app include maps and location. For official service and facility including medical missions, making it most direct secure. What is the primary function of Google Map that make it invaluable for Hajjaj during the the real-time navigation, estimated walking time between holy site and identify point of nearest like restrooms and food court, allowing pilgrims to remotely perform a virtual tawaf from their hotel room, calculating the precise total amount of step required between Safa and Marwa, automatically logging and submitting all pilgrim travel data to the Ministry of Hajj and Umrah. I'm confused between two options. Option A, real time. I th- the and option D, automatically log in and submit the pilgrim travel mm, to the Ministry of Hajj and Umrah. So I think Google Map. Hmm, it's A option. Truth, Google Map provides live direction and accurate depiction of the physical environment which essential for navigating the complex site. I click on the next. A pilgrim gets lost while walking back from the ground mosque to their hotel in Mecca. What Google Map feature could be most helpful immediately? Viewing the historical satellite imaginary of Mecca Old City, drawing a freehand map of their surrounding and trying match it to a map online, switching the map language Urdu English and using the location blue dot feature to orient themselves and navigate toward the previous saved hotel point. D option is correct for this. Okay, and now click next. Which specific function of Google Translation is most beneficial for Hajj pilgrim needing to understand Saudi street sign, official notice in Arabic, the offline phrase book for common travel experience, the handwritten function to draw out the Arabic script, uh, the tab to translate bubble feature, um, uh, the instant camera lens translate feature which translate text via the phone camera. The offline phrase book, common travel experience, handwritten function, tab translate, instant camera, yeah, lens translate feature. A D option is correct for this. Right, instant camera translate feature allow pilgrim to raise. Okay, and I click next. The Pak Hajj and Pak Hajj Mavi app are officially provided by the government of Pakistan through which specific ministry? Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Information and Telecommunication, Ministry of Religious Affairs, and in the correct answer is C. Okay, I click the next. What primary function does the Pak Hajj app perform regarding communication between ministry and pilgrim? It provides a forum for public discussion and feedback among all Haji applicants. It automatically generates uh, day a day of pilgrim movement be reviewed by the group leader. Its facility two-way video call between pilgrim and their assigned guide. It send mass push notification and urgent alert about change in schedule, transport, and safety. The Durst answer is D. Right? Sending timely, centralized alert announcement to all pilgrim in critical communication feature of the app for managing logistics and safety. What is the common safety related features found in many Hajj assistant applications, including the official ones? A feature to automatically apply for a Hajj visa extension, and source button or emergency contact feature that transmit the pilgrim uh, GPS location to control the office or group leader. A tool to calculate the cost of a sacrificial animal kurbani at market rate. A living streaming feed of the Kaaba from the Durst option is emergency. Emergency communication with location sharing is vital safety tool for pilgrims who become separate, require urgent help. I click the next. When using Google Map for walking navigate during Hajj, what must be a pilgrim be mindful for regarding the map accuracy? A option, the map may be inaccurate in mountainous region, but they perfect reliable within the holy city. The walking route on Hajj day are completely different from the route shown in Google Map. The satellite image layer is the most important layer for finding one's route. The blue dot location may draft or be less accurate due to very high building density or signal interface from massive crowd. Hmm, Using ulama move during Hajj, what was pilgrim mindful regarding the map accuracy? The option is T Drust. Okay. Uh, Crowd or tall structured and tunnel can be interfaced with GPS, leading to location inaccurate that pilgrim must be aware. I click on the next. What is the primary technical requirement for using the Saudi Visa Visi Bio app to complete the biometric enrollment process? A option, a physical smart card reader to verify the digital national ID card, a smartphone with a high resolution camera and reliable internet connection for submission. B option, a high end dedicated biometric scanner device, not mobile phone camera. D option, a current paid subscription to a premium international VPN service. A high end, I think C is best. I click it. Yes, it's correct. Sorry, it's wrong. The correct answer is a smartphone with high resolution camera and reliable internet connection. The app rely on the phone camera for facial fingerprint capture and needs stable connectivity to securely transmit the data to the official service. A smartphone with high resolution camera and reliable internet connection is correct for this question. So I click in the next. The Pak Hajj Mavin app typically contain comprehensive list of supplications, yani duas supplication. What other important religious content is commonly include a full searchable database, a database of all hierarchical clips and their biographic, an accurate GPS based Qibla finder, and the time for the 5 daily prayer in a local time, a digital certificate of completion of Hajj issued automatically, typically contain a comprehensive list. What is the important religious content? Accurate GPS Qibla finder and the timing of 5 prayer. I think C is correct. Yes, ensuring the pilgrim can pray accurately on the time is a core religious support function, making the Qibla finder and prayer timing essential feature. तो पाक हज माविन ठीक है टाइप लिख ओके and I click in the next. How many Google Map be used most effectively to save crucial location like pilgrim accommodation or group essential point? By relying on the map automatic timeline feature to remember the location history. By manually type the address in Arabic and saving its a favorite location. By dropping a pin at the exact location and saving it under a recognizable label like my hotel or group point. By sharing a photo of the building, relying on Google AI to recognize the location. I think A is correct. Okay, I click it. Oh, it's wrong. And the truth answer is by dropping a pin at the exact location and saving it under the recognized label, my hotel are groups. This is correct. Dropping and saving GPS pin is most accurate and reliable method to mark point for future navigation. Click on the next. What kind of accommodation communication scenario would best be solved by using Google Translation conversation mode? Translating the menu of fast food restaurant, translating lengthy religious sermon from Arabic to the pilgrim native language, translate digital message received via text messaging app, a pilgrim speak one on one with a non-English speaking taxi driver or speaker. What kind of communication scenario would be best to solve using Google Translation conversation mode? Think religious and Arabic to pilgrim. I think its correct answer is B. Oh no, it's wrong. And the correct answer is a pilgrim speaking one on one with a non English speaking taxi driver or speak shopkeeper. Shopkeeper. Okay, what kind of communication scenario would be best solved by using Google Translation conservation mode? Conservation, ठीक है, conversation mode. Okay, conversation mode. I click the next. How can the Hajj app help a pilgrim ensure they don't miss their assigned transport schedule during the movement holy day? It provides a live video feed of the bus boarding area. It automatically adjusts pilgrim international internal clock to it transmit the pilgrim person departure confirm the bus driver. It display the exact date, time, and boarding location from their group assigned bus and send timely reminder. D option is correct for this. Okay. Logistically details and scheduled alert are a core function of the app to keep complex Hajj movement. I click in the next. What essential information should a pilgrim download onto Google Map for offline use before arrival in Saudi Arabia? The map of Mecca, Medina, and Arafat to ensure navigate between a data connection. The map of closest neighboring country to KSA. Only the map of their home country in the case they need to refer to them. The entire world map as a journal backup. The truth answer is A. Downloading the relevant geography area uh, ensure that navigation remain possible if the pilgrim has poor or no internet access. I click on the next. In the context of the Saudi Vizi Bio app, what is the main benefit of biometric pre-enrollment for the Saudi authority? It helps them track the pilgrim phone usage and social media activity. It allows for more rigorous background check the pilgrim financial history. It enhances national security and accelerates border control by securely confirm the identity for every arrival. It ensures that the pilgrim will only use specific government approved mobile carrier. It enhances the national security and accelerate border control. Securely confirm the identifier. I think it's those is C. Okay, it's right. Pre-verified biometrics are a major security measure that help authorized manage the entry of millions of pilgrims quick and securely. I click on the next. Which of the following is an example of a common issue that the Pak Hajj app integrated map feature help pilgrims to overcome? The challenge of locating their assigned tent or residence in the con- congested camp of Mina and Arfat. Difficulty in the choosing which Hajj package to select. Lack of knowledge about the history of Islam in the Arabic. Inability to find ATM bank. The truth answer is option A. A challenge of locating their assigned tent or residence in the congested camp of Mina or Irfat. I click on next. In addition to gen- ger- general translation, a pilgrim can use Google Translate text input feature for which specific Hajj related task, checking the weather forecast for next 7 days in Mecca, translating the complex term and condition section of their Hajj application, calculate the exchange rate of their home currency to Saudi Riyal, scanning the QR code on the official ID card, translating complex term and condition section of their Hajj application form. I think the truth answer is option B. Oh, it's truth. I click on the next button. Which detail in the Pak Hajj application is most crucial for a pilgrim to display Hajj worker or official when they need? The pilgrim full family tree and relationship status, the contact information of their personal doctor in their home country, the pilgrim preferred meal choice, vegetarian or non-vegetarian, the unique Hajj ID, group number, and the assigned accommodation address, maktab number. Option D correct. I click it. A pilgrim noticed an urgent safety announcement from the ministry in Pak Hajj app. What does the generally imply? An advance for a local Hajj merchandise store, a new optional spiritual lecture has been scheduled for every evening, a critical change in the timing of a ritual or necessary detour due to the sudden crowd control measure of weather event, a general reminder to stay hydrated during the hot weather. Pilgrim notice urgent safety announcement from the ministry in Pak Hajj app. What does certainly A general reminder to stay hydrated during the hot weather. I think the Durust answer is D. Okay, the correct is C. A critical change in the time of a ritual or a necessary detour due to sudden crowd control measure or weather event. Okay, next, which service typically integrate into official Hajj app are provided as a feature allow a pilgrim family at home to monitor their location with pilgrim consent. A family locator, a track me feature that share the pilgrim GPS location and pre-registered emergency contact, a dedicated communication channel to Saudi embassy in the pilgrim home country, an embedded Google map key that automatically send daily location update and to a registered email, a postcard sender feature that stamp a photo with the pilgrim current GPS coordinate, a family locator track me feature to share the pilgrim GPS location and register emergency contact. Is right. Applicates. And if a pilgrim need to understand the exact meaning of a specific Arabic term in dua, which section of the Saudi Park Mawin app should they consult? The pilgrim feedback submission form, bus route planner, the necessary dua translate section, the Hajj accommodation directory. Understand the meaning of specific Arabic term in dua. The glossary and dua translate section. See, I click it. A pilgrim realize their phone is running low on battery. Which app is most crucial to keep operational for security and logistical purpose? The Hajj app for emergency location transmission and receiving urgent official announcement. B option Google Translate to communicate immediately conversation. A camera app to capture the remaining movement of Hajj. Google app to find the near by charge point. The here is through the option A. I click in the next. What is the primary technical distinction between the official Park Hajj app and the general utility app like Google Map translation uh, regarding the data source? Park Hajj app are available, always required to use in offline mode, while the Google Map require constant internet access. Google Map rely on crowdsourced data, while Park Hajj app are entirely based on historical archival data. Google Map only use statistical data. Park app only use mobile tower data, satellite data, and store data. Google Map provides general public data, while Park app provide personalized official pilgrim specific data. Uh, the option D is correct. Okay. The official app contains specific private data ठीक होगी बात। अब नेक्स्ट, which language feature is not typically a standard integrated component of official Pak Hajj app, translating Arabic dua into the pilgrim language, providing the option to view entire application interface in national language, and interactive two-way instant voice translation service for living conversation with Saudi staff, providing the translation of Arabic religious text, writing the sound in a non-Arabic script. I think the Durust answer is A. Oh, not an attractive two-way instant voice translation. Two-way, sorry. I click the what is the most crucial step a pilgrim must take immediately after download the official Pak Hajj app. Input their unique Hajj ID passport number and registration their profile to access personalized information. First answer is A. Okay. And click the done and my result is 80% in app. Okay. Allah Hafiz. मिलते हैं next video में.